Fox 13's John Franke is live on Utah's Capitol Hill tonight with some promising news on the vaccine rollout. John.
Well, hey guys, as states like Texas end their mask mandates, Utah is staying the course. You know, about a year since this pandemic shook up all of our lives, state health officials are confident that every Utahn who wants a COVID-19 vaccine will be able to get one by the end of April.
Encouraged by the team at the state of Utah wants this pandemic over, and we know that a vaccine is going to be one of the best ways to end the pandemic.
With 3 vaccines now approved for use in the United States,
the more doses that are available to our state, the better.
Utah's COVID response team is preparing for the rollout to accelerate.
We're expecting to have enough available doses come mid to late April.
It's a similar timeline to what Fox 13 first reported last month, and it means all Utahns age 16 and up could get their shot well before the end of spring.
It's a really aggressive target, and really that is just an estimate that's based on what we expect to happen.
Right now, an average of 100,000 doses each week are being administered in Utah.
There's been a commitment from the vaccine manufacturers to really ramp up the doses and to get even more of them out to the states.
The state has prepared the logistics of what needs to happen when those doses arrive.
We have a number of pharmacies that have the capability of putting vaccines out there. And then we have some other partners that are coming on. The University of Utah announced that they're going to start doing mass vaccinations. So is Intermountain Healthcare.
Unlike Texas, Utah's mask mandate isn't going anywhere.
Masks are going to be our best tool for right now.
Last week, Governor Spencer Cox announced counties in the low transmission index can take off their face coverings 8 weeks after 1.6 million vaccine doses have been administered in the state.
That puts us in around the end of June. We could have a lot of people without a mask mandate.
With promising news on the vaccine front, and after months of work to crush the curve, the state does not want to risk losing the progress made by straying from the science.
We're in this race right now. Get as many people vaccinated before we have too much spread of the variants in our state.
This is a far cry from the uncertainty of 1 year ago. A finish line is finally coming into view.
This should be encouraging that we just have to do this for a few more months. Make sure that the people around you are safe, and we're going to end this pandemic.
And the state has polling that says 78% of all Utahns want to receive the COVID-19 vaccine. I also reached out to the governor's office, and a spokesperson tells me that he will continue to follow the advice of health experts. Live on the Hill, John Franke, Fox 13 News, Utah.